Hello, I am Gaurav Srivastav. So,
C.D.O.
uh, the the best CDO of this organization, and I would like to thank you, Sachin. This was really very good session which I have attended in previous year of my experience. This and I think this will from today onwards it will help me a lot for my personal career growth and to represent my organization as well with the customer. And definitely I will follow all the habits and going to continue from today onwards. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are a C.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. BK Dhoob, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Dey, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.